What's up, Gunpla Modelers? This is Strider Prime bringing you a new edition of GundamModals. Today is Friday, September 21st, 2018. Taking a little bit of a pause here in my GBWC build. Just cleaned up a little bit of the table so I can have a little bit of room here. Admiring this recent build of the giant Gatling gun, which is stupidly ridiculous, but I love it. Why didn't I make this when I got it? Because I remember going to Gundam Planet and picking up 4 of these, and I even posted it on Facebook, but I never done anything with it. And many people were saying, "Oh, am I going to use this to make the heavy arms custom using the master grade heavy arms?" Obviously, I think the following year we got the P-Bandai version of the heavy arms custom, and now there's that third-party one that looks ridiculously ridiculous, which I love it. But the whole purpose of me buying the Gatling guns was actually in part with the assembly of the assault pack, because a while back, before my idea of merging the assault pack with the RX-78-2, I was actually going to take the original assault pack with the G-Self on it and add more weapons to it, and one of them was, of course, using the giant Gatling gun, using 4 of them. But that never came to be. I never got around to it, and with other things happening here and there, I said, "No, forget it. I'm not going to do it." Now that I'm doing this, I was like, "Oh, okay, cool. I can add it on." But again, I didn't take into the account of how big the gun was. I mean, this gun is literally close to 6 inches long. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's like it's basically the height of a high grade. It's almost the same size as a high grade kit. I mean, high grade kits can pretty much hold on to it and use it. Actually, hold on. Let me get something here for this kit while we're talking about it. And master grades can hold on to it as well if you use the parts forming hands to support it. Where did I put that? I put a lot of stuff to the side when I was cleaning up here. Jesus, I just had it here a minute ago. Oh, here it is. So we'll just take this, I'll probably put that there, so it could hold it up like that. And maybe we could do something like this. This is very customizable. I kind of like this. Very nice. I have to admit, out of all the builder parts kits that Bandai released through the Build Fighter series, this is actually my favorite one. Something to enjoy. Anyway, so basically I'm just taking a small little pause here, and right now I'm just reviewing a few things. For starters, we're roughly 2 months away from GBWC, so I'm full steam ahead on my kit. There are things that I've ordered that has came in, which I'm going to open up and show, and that's going to be part of the build. Stuff that I wanted to pick up along the way, nothing crazy. And just yesterday, we just got the autumn sale from Hobby Link Japan. Not in the amount of what do you call it? Gundam kits. There's not many Gundam kits out there. It's like maybe 5 or 6. And usually there's only 2. It was only 2 models. Everything else was just toys and figures and all that stuff. But what I was interested in getting, what I saw there was a lot of parts, builder parts, scratch building parts, and I just filled up my warehouse right now with all that stuff that I need. Um, yeah, okay. And now I'm gonna have to order that to come in because I'm gonna need that for this build, so it can help me out. I'm also noticing some announcements of some Gundam kits that are going to be announced at the Tokyo show next week. So I may end up doing a broadcast like that again, like this, for that week, and talk about what's coming out, things like that. Again, I'm going to say that for those of you who know, I am going to New York Comic Con, but I'm only going on a Sunday. I haven't received the ticket yet. I have to check my mail again. But I am, and of course I'm going to Anime NYC that's coming up in November, which of course will be the GBWC entry. Let me. I did do little things here and there with my build. Let me show something here. Here's the stand which I put on this plate, and I put the wiring in the back here to simulate how it's going to look like. This will be connected to the ARF switches at the top, and then of course it can be disengaged and engaged, but I've got to find out how I'm going to do it, maybe like down here, because this thing has to be covered up as well, and the wiring is all the way down here, which now I'm going to have to look into the possibility of buying the battery pack, because I thought I had one, but I couldn't find it. Okay, so I want to talk about the Jagan custom contest that I announced just before I went on vacation. I have, as of now, 6 entries to my contest. I haven't even opened this up yet because I've been seeing a lot of people's works, and I want to really build this kit. I mean, you have no idea the desire of me building this right now. And I don't mean just build it as a snap it together. I mean build it and paint it and detail it up and all that stuff. But you know, it's something that I'm gonna have to wait until I'm done with my build. But I'm hearing a lot of positive things about this. I haven't heard nothing negative, but then again, I haven't been reading other people's reviews lately. Too busy with other stuff. But going back to the contest, I have 6 people already who joined in. Remember that if you want to join in on my contest for the Jagan, look at my video that I released on September 1st for all the details. But let me just add a few things. Alright. So if you're here in the United States, I'm going to be giving you credit to Gundam Planet. That means you have to have an account with Gundam Planet for you guys to get the prize, if you win, obviously. And the prizes are $150 for first prize, $100 for second, $50 for third. And that's if you're in the United States. Now, if you're not in the United States and you're outside of, outside, clearly, I'm not going to give you credit to Gundam Planet because clearly the shipping is going to be crazy. So I will be giving you cash via PayPal. PayPal only. No other means of of money. It has to be PayPal or nothing. If you guys do not have a PayPal account, forget it. You're getting nothing, and you'll be disqualified. Now, while I was away, somebody sent me a message, and I had to send them a message back. If you are a serviceman or woman, you got, I can imagine there are female model builders who are in the services right now, and you're away, but then you build the kit, and you want to order the stuff from Hobbylink Japan, Gundam Planet, and you have the significant other here in the United States. That's fine. I'll honor that because you're in the service. So that I can do. Anything goes with what you want to do with the kit. It's going to be with the master grade, obviously, and this is not an expensive kit. It's a big box, yeah, imagine, but that's the idea. And I can't wait to see everybody's ideas. Right now, I started to see one photograph of one person who did something with the head of the Jagan N. There you go. Good work, guy. Good work. And of course, the contest ends on December 2nd, and on December 10th, I will announce the winners. But I really want to build this. I really want to build it. It's been sitting in. I've been looking at it every time I sit down. I say, oh, God damn it! Why can't I build that? I want to build it, but I gotta focus on what I'm doing right now. I haven't even got a chance to look at other people's works that they've done from Gunpla Builders World Cup here in the United States. Because there's these past shows that passed on, and I think I've seen one person's work, which is amazing. I hope he gets picked for going to the United States if once the whole thing is over. Let me just talk. We're going to do this kind of quick here because I'm not going to dilly-dally on a lot of things here. Let me just show you stuff that I picked up from Hobby Lobby Japan that just came in recently. This was stuff that I had saved in my warehouse, and stuff that I picked up that I saw on sale. And of course, I'm a little pissed at something right now, which I will show you in a moment. I'm glad that everybody enjoyed my my video build of the Zagak while I was on vacation. It was kind of fun to make. It was fun, and I left him there. So he's soaking up sun, catching some rays, having some beer. I wanted to do more photographs, but time didn't allow me to do so. Alright, so I had to order this early, not realizing that now after looking at Gundam Hobby Lobby Japan's sale, this is on sale. I ended up paying full price. I bought two more of the U Verniers L2, I think it is. Yeah, L2 Wave. I ended up buying more, and obviously when I got it, that's when the sale came out. It's like, I think it's like 50% off. I was like, oh, great! Now I can't believe that. So I got these two, and it's required for the build because I only had two of the. I'm using these two, so now I have these two for the other pod. And then I may end up using these two for the back end, or these smaller ones. But I think the smaller ones is going to be for the front, because somebody did mention I should put like front thrusters on the pod itself to simulate, like braking thrusters. And I completely forgot about that. Now, I can do that, but I don't think I can swing the LED setup. I'm on the fence with that, but it is a possibility that I will do that. So don't worry. Another thing that I ordered, and this actually came in on a previous. It was actually, I ordered it on a previous order, and it didn't come in on time. So now it came in time for this one. This is of course Haikyuu's Pixel Camouflage Decals 2. Very nice, though. I like that. So if I have something light greenish or white, I can definitely use something like this. So something to look into, to use. This came out new from the Build Diver series, the Sky High Wings, which looks really nice. They're just wings. I'm gonna see what kit I'm gonna use this on. And finally, the last kit that I ordered, and this was actually, alright, it could be because of me, or maybe somebody else, but I'll say this. For the past year or so, I keep seeing this on Hobbylink Japan's sale, and it's been there from past sales, and nobody seems to be picking it up, because obviously why would they? But at $10, this is a steal. The 1/100 scale GNR 010 O-Riser, the original high grade version of it. Yeah, I picked this up. And I didn't pick it up just to build it and have it sitting around. Oh no. I think I'm going to use this on my current build. I have an idea. So I said, you know what, this is actually perfect for kit bashing. Also, where the heck did I put it? Oh, here we go. Also, I went to my local hobby store, Richfield Hobbies. Do I have the? I have the business card here somewhere. Here we go. Richfield Hobbies. That's in Richfield, 508 Broad Avenue, Richfield, New Jersey. Their phone number is 201-943-2636. I go to him all the time because he has a lot of tools and a lot of scratch building stuff like this. 0.02 thickness styrene sheets. I bought 2 of these. Actually, to tell you, in all honesty, I grabbed one and I thought I grabbed the other one at a thicker thickness, but apparently I made a mistake. One was thinner. This is 0.15. This is 0.020. So 0.4 millimeters, 0.5 millimeters. I definitely need something that's at least 1 millimeter in thickness, because I'm going to need it for the armor. Like something like this. This is a little thicker. I'm down to 1 sheet. I need more. I need more sheets. And I'm going to have to go back to them again. Especially I'm going to need some tubes, because I have an idea with the cannon. But, by the way, go to his store. He just got himself a large shipment of Gundam kits. Alright. And then finally, just as I came back from vacation, I get the email saying that, hey, guess what they have at Gundam Planet? And I said, alright, I have to get this because everybody is getting it. And I was actually on the fence not to get it. I really didn't want to get this. Real grade Sazabi. Look at that big boy. Oh my god. That is a beauty of a kit. Oh my god. You know, I'm actually contemplating of pausing my build and start working on him right now. But temptation has to wait. So this is pretty much my news and review of pretty much whatever's going on right now. I'm going to take my build to the next level. Hopefully by next week you'll be seeing some, see the kit now taking shape, and then we'll see where we go from there. So I'd like to thank everybody for watching my channel and supporting me and all that stuff. You guys have been the best. Right now I'm going to probably be not talking to you guys more often with news and updates because of me building, but of course if something amazing comes out, we'll definitely stop a bit and talk about it. Then of course you guys can reach me out on Facebook and on of course YouTube, and Twitter. And I have my Twitter page, which I rarely update anything up, but I'll try to post some stuff up there. Okay, so thank you guys all for watching, and stay tuned for more Gundam models yet to come. You guys all have a great day.